no time, no prep. The king of the strip is here. Holy cow.
Guys that have said we want to see you in the right lane racing people, I ain't raced anybody. Those have been singles. There's just not many people up here. Yeah, I'm gonna guess 734. Thanks, sir. Watch out. Woo! Woo! Getting hot in here. 727, 93.3, 153 on the 60. All right, doing work now, boys.
Holy cow, that thing was so fast.
All right, here's Pirate. He's back from the 7 Seas and coming here to show us how to make a nitrous car run, because we obviously don't know how to do it. Here he goes. And who's he? Is that Scat Pack? Oh, he just crushed that guy. Oh, heel hauling, 178. He's not gonna be happy with that. Oh, he's on motor. 784 at 86. Oh, he ran him on motor. That, no respect. He got no respect for them Mopars.
Cheater!
Thanks, sir. 150, 152, 729, and 93. Michael went to 794. We were 040 something red. He was 194 green. He went to 794 at 86.3, 177.60.
Rodney and the Pirate going at it. I imagine Pirate's got the juice on by now. Should be a close one. And there's Pirate double bulbed him. There you go, back south.
Oh, by the way,
red light in the rock. No time. Rodney wins with a red light.
All right, here comes the Deranged Ranger. Got a new cam, got 430 gears, got a funnel web, got a new carb. There's a lot of new on this thing, a lot of new. Let's just hope it ain't the same old numbers. In. Go. Spun, pedal. Breaking up a little bit. ET's gonna be crap. Alright, well, we had a casualty in the Fox world. One of the guys that David's friends with, PJ, brought his car up here and he got into the wall. We're not 100% sure what happened. We saw it happen and the car just started drifting. Sorry about the motorcycles. The car just started drifting and he just kind of lost it right at the traps. Airbag went off. So we'll have some more on what happened here in the blah blah blah. Real shame though. This is a really clean car that he's had for quite a while. So all right, we're out.
all right, Philip and Pirate, make a pass.
Range Ranger. He just got loose. Pirate. Sorry. There he goes. Oh, that thing's a beast. Oh, he's on a good pass too. This is a good pass. Oh, it's a 28. Dang, it dropped mile an hour. Good 60 foot though. That's probably that's the best 60 foot that car's ever cut. With a 728 at 92 is 153 something on the 60. That's a man. Nah, I red lit. Okay. And then plus something happened when I hit forward.
Would you say something happened?
Yeah. I think I may have heard the ring and pinion or something. Alright guys, we're heading out under our own power. As you know, we may have wounded something in the rear end, so we're gonna, you know, we didn't make any more passes, but we did make 5, and they were all pretty good, I guess, except for the last one. But just means it'll be upgrade time now. So it's a bumpy road. Let me get off here. We're gonna head to Whataburger, and we'll see you at the blah blah blah. Hey guys, what's going on? Well, we're gonna do a blah blah blah. We're gonna make this one pretty short because nothing really happened. We went to the track again. We took SilverCar up there. The weather was really good. I don't have the DA for that particular day, so but it was really good. It was really cool outside. So we made 5 passes. Jonathan didn't have his car ready, so Mission 7 wasn't up there. They did have the deranged Ranger. They made a bunch of changes on it, put a funnel web, new carb, different cam, put 430s in it. They nibbled away at it a little bit, ultimately ran a 835 at 83 something miles an hour. That's about a 1/10 and a half or so best for it, improvement over what it had ran previously, so they're still sorting it out. They got there a little late, didn't get to make a bunch of passes. SilverCar ran pretty good. We made 5 hits on our 4th pass. We heard a pop in the rear end when the car launched. We thought maybe we had knocked the tooth off the ring gear, or we just didn't know what it was. And we pulled back around and probably should have made another pass, but we went ahead. Pirate got up beside us, so we just went ahead and raced him, and we red lit, and he went a 27, I think, or something like that. That would have been hard to beat anyway, but you know, we gave it the old college try. But when we pulled 4th gear, it something kind of jerked. So at that point, we decided it was time to pack it up. We jacked the car up, rolled it around, didn't really feel anything. So we drove it home, made it home fine. The next morning, I drove it out to work, and then just got the Blue Dragon. I've been driving it for a couple days. But we think we heard spider gear or a side gear in the carrier. We haven't pulled it apart yet, so we're hopefully going to get that fixed here pretty soon. We are bogged down with time. So let's go look at the numbers real quick, and we'll be right back and finish this up. Okay, well, let's run through these real quick. This was our very first pass. It was a 731 at 93. That's a high mile an hour for us in the SilverCar. We hot lapped it and rewarded with this. We were pretty pleased with that. That's a good number for this car, for this combo, for us. And then we pulled back around, and Pirate jumped up there beside us, number 87. And we red lit. He was on motor, and I'm not sure he still had the cold plugs in because he was going to go run some nitrous and just kind of made a motor pass messing around. But we ran a 29 at 93, so we were pretty pleased with that. Then we brought it around a little bit later and ran another 31. On this particular runs, when it popped, I heard the rear end pop when it left and didn't do anything after that, but I hot lapped it and came around to run Pirate. Pirate laid the bottle to us. I red lit again, but when I pulled fourth, something happened and it fell right on its face. So we decided that we would use the, what should I call it? Retreat was a better part of valor. So we decided to call it a day and bring it home. So let's get back and finish up the blah, blah, blah. Boom, we're back. Movie magic at its best. So you saw the numbers, 5 passes, everything was cool. Like I say, we're going to get the rear end fixed, get the car back up there, and time for some upgrades, finally. So we did drive home under power. Pirate made some good passes. He didn't hurt anything. Jonathan will hopefully have his car back up and running very shortly. So I guess that pretty much wraps it up. This is kind of a short and sweet one. We had a lot of fun. We met one of the YouTube guys that watches, and it was cool talking to him. Sadly, PJ did wreck his car in that he's a guy we knew from the dyno. David really knows him. But second pass down the track, we still know exactly what happened. I think he power shifted third, and it just got loose. It just kind of sashayed out there and hit. It's a mess. It's sad. He had that car since he was like 18 years old. He's had it for 19 years. So anyway, I guess as always, thanks for subscribing. We're just going to do the plain old thanks for watching this time, and especially thanks for commenting. So until next time, we'll see you on the substandard Fox Body Video Leader. Yeah, whatever. And we'll see you guys later.